Hello everyone. Welcome back to again physical education class grade 11. So dear students, today we will discuss about chapter number 3 physical fitness wellness lifestyle. Especially our topic is today components of physical fitness and wellness. So today our topic we will discuss is especially components of our physical fitness is especially and physical fitness and wellness both are components same. So this is the five components of our physical fitness and wellness. First is strength, second is speed, third is endurance, fourth is flexibility, fifth is coordinative ability. So one by one explained all. Firstly is strength. So especially strength. So strength is a major component of physical fitness. The strength is defined as the greatest amount of force that a muscle or a group of muscles produce is single maximum effort. So especially strength can be divided into two parts. First is static, second is dynamic. So we will explain first is static strength. So static strength is also known as isometric strength. In this strength does not involve uh, muscle movements. Okay, especially muscular movements, the quality and intensity of static strength can be measured by dynamometer. Okay, especially this type of strength is not seen directly. Example for static strength can be seen in wrestling, judo, weightlifting, extras. It means direct jerk position. In this game, it is applied in paces. A weightlifter hold the body is static position after completion of the lift. This is static strength. After the next point is dynamic strength. So dynamic strength, this is the especially dynamic strength is related with movement. In this type of strength, contraction and expansion of muscles are in improvement. So muscular movement are clearly visible when someone used dynamic strength. For example, this is the dynamic strength is a three types. First is maximum strength, second is explosive strength, and third is strength endurance. Okay, so one by one explain. First is maximum strength. Maximum strength especially is the ability the muscle to overcome against maximum resistance. In other words, we can say that is the ability of muscles or group of muscles applying maximum force against resistance in single efforts. So it is the importance in sports in which very heavy resistance has a tackle like weightlifting, yeah, for example clean and jerk, yeah, powerlifting, squat, bench press, dead. This is the part of games. Okay, so next is explosive strength. Explosive strength, second point is main dynamic strength. So explosive strength is the combination of strength and speed ability. In other words, it can be defined as the ability of the muscles of overcome resistance with high speed. Means especially explosive strength is generally required in games and sports where very fast and powerful responses are required, like taking sports start sprint sports, especially smashing, volleyball, and takeoff of long jump, yeah, triple jump. This is the especially explosive strength. So next is third part is strength endurance. So strength endurance is the main combination. Strength endurance is also a combination of two components. For example, strength and endurance. Okay, that is, it is the ability of the muscles of muscles to overcome resistance for a long time without getting tired, yeah, without getting tired or fatigue. Okay, so it is commonly used a long distance races, swimming, road cyclings, yeah, extra long activities. It means walking also 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer. This is strength, endurance. So after this, next point is speed. Second, so speed is the main maximum distance cover in minimum time, that is speed. Okay, especially speed basically depends in, yeah, basically depends on heredity, what can be little improved through proper training. It depends on the type of muscles, fibers. Okay, this is the two types. Main is white white muscles fibers, yeah, red muscles fibers. It means fast twist and slow twist. So speed is the product of genetic and environmental factors. So reducing the genetic factor, nothing can be changed, but speed can be enhanced by training. So acceleration and development of movements of speed, reaction times, pace run method, plyometric exercises are the methods of speed development. So after that, next third point is endurance. So endurance, dear students, endurance is also one of the important component of physical fitness. It is ability of the body to work for long time without getting fatigue. Okay, so endurance is the most important in every type of sports activities. Endurance is basically divided into two types, especially two parts, especially for slow term of anaerobic endurance and long term of aerobic endurance. Especially short term of short term of short term endurance, anaerobic endurance. It is required in those sports activity where movement is only for short duration and the intensity is very fast. So good examples for of anaerobic endurance especially are in track events, 100-meter races, 200 meters, yeah, changing in kho fielding, in cricket within a few seconds quick action. It is also known as muscular endurance. This is short term endurance. Next is long term endurance, yeah, aerobic endurance. So it is the required in those sports activities where the movement is for a long duration and the intensity is slow. So it is also known as cardiovascular endurance. So good example of aerobic endurance are long distance races, yeah, road cycling, yeah, swimming, yeah, for example, you are going to any party, DJ party, and long dancing. This is long hours dancing. This is a long term endurance, yeah, aerobic exercises. Okay, so next part is main flexibility. So flexibility also is the main two types. First is, what is flexibility? Flexibility, it is the ability to joint to move in maximum range. In other words, maximum range of movement of a joint. The flexibility of the body largely depends upon the structure of joint and ligaments. So flexibility is required in all games and sports. Its importance is more in the events like sprints, yeah, hurdling, gymnastics, especially flexibility is the more important, and other games also flexibility is more important all games. So flexibility is the main two types to divide. Main is first passive and second is active flexibility. So actually active flexibility also is the two types. First is passive flexibility. So passive flexibility is the main, it is the ability of joint to move maximum range with external help. For example, stretching of muscles with partner. It means during exercises, few stretching exercises with partner. This is mean passive flexibility. Next is active flexibility. Active flexibility, especially, it is the ability of joint to move the maximum range without external help, and it means without any partner. Okay, especially active flexibility depends largely on the passive flexibility. It can be further divided into two parts also. Main is first static and second is dynamic. So static flexibility is main, especially it is the active flexibility when the muscles are involved in exercises but movement is not seen, that is static flexibility. For example, doing yoga asanas, especially halasanas, yeah, toe touching, this is main flexibilities. Okay, next is dynamic flexibility. This is the especially second part of active flexibility. So dynamic flexibility main is the, it is the active flexibility when the muscles involved are in motions. For example, especially performing gymnastic events. It means during activities very fast. This is especially flexibility. Okay, during gymnastic event within quick actions. This is dynamic flexibility. Okay, so after this, last point is coordinative ability. So coordinative ability is the main, the coordinative ability, especially coordinative ability are those ability of an invisible which enable the indivisible to do various games, yeah, related movements, okay, efficiently. The beautiful or the graceful movement of our body are directly related to our coordinative ability. Mean coordination ability can be improved if we perform correct correct movements during activity. So we should avoid incorrect movement, especially while playing and any game in sports. It means due to games coordination. So it is the ability of the body to move two or more body parts under the activities, especially under coordination and perform movement with perfection and efficiently. It is in fact the proper combination of especially strength, speed, endurance and flexibility during movement, all games. So dear students, I hope you understand this topic. Again I am repeat this topic, especially components of physical fitness and wellness. So especially components of physical fitness and wellness is main first strength. So strength is also two types. Main is first static and second is dynamic. So static strength also is the three types: maximum strength, explosive strength and strength endurance. Second part is main components of physical fitness, speed, and third is endurance. So endurance also is the main two parts: short term or anaerobic endurance and long term or aerobic endurance. This is third part. And fourth part is main flexibility. So flexibility also is the passive and active. So active flexibility also is the two parts: static flexibility and dynamic flexibility. And fifth part is coordinative ability. This is five components of physical fitness and wellness. So dear students, I hope you understand this topic. So especially any student doubt for this topic, so send message me this contact number. This is my contact number. Every video I send phone number. So any student doubt for any topic, today and a last topic also. So send message anytime. Okay. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you and have a nice day. Good.